So, again, for instructors more than for other environments, although this may apply for other administrators of different kinds of environments. More videos on that in the future. But for courses, a few little checklists that you may want to have as you set up your course. First of all, we have just launched the new interface where all of the video series, as you can see, have been demonstrated with the majority of features. And as my OISE 2 in the next couple of weeks comes over, and the two will integrate for a number of different reasons at OISE. Now, as you set up your course, I think you'll really want to ensure that you have some sort of social forum, like a cafe or bistro or whatever you want to call it, where your students can speak to other items other than the course. You'll want to decide how you want to use the demo wall, more as a social item or as an announcement, and or both. It's just a place where people can post things that you see the minute you log in. The other thing is ensure you have some sort of start here and welcome kind of forum with your course outlines and or references that you're putting together, and then begin your weeks. If you have a demonstration site, sorry, not a demonstration site, a mailbox forum, this is in the demonstration environment here that I'm showing you, then it will show up here. Okay, there may be a few small items that are problematic just because we're launching this newly. And if there are, please contact the Client Care Portal and ensure if your students contact you and or the portal with the URL and the exact problem. It's always important to do that. So whatever forum you're in, you can click on it and copy and paste that URL into whatever help message you're doing there. If you also have a help forum, which is pretty standard inside your own course environment, that's very useful because people can often help each other and troubleshoot. Sometimes when it really isn't a problem programmatically. However, if you're really running into problems, you're going to want to send a ticket to the Client Care Portal, and you're always going to want to give the URL. So please ensure everybody copies and pastes the URL of the note, of the area, of the forum. Anything you click on here, including a note, has actually a URL. You can also give a little bit more information about what the problem is. It's very hard for any of us to troubleshoot unless we know what the problem is, the exact location, and or screenshots. Very quick screenshots are also useful. So as much information as you can give us is pretty key. Ensure you click on the help and make sure you're looking at these videos and that your students have access to it. That help link is here, as I've mentioned in some of the other forums. So I hope you enjoy the session. I think this is a really good start to our new interface, and I hope you drag and drop lots of really important messages with each other and have some fun doing it. And please do give us some feedback, and of course, if there are some real problems, let us know. Remember, use Firefox and update the version. Reload sometimes if you have to, or quit a browser and start back up again. Those are always key things. Sometimes if you are in Firefox, you need to clear your cache. You do that under Firefox and Tools up in the menu, in Firefox at the top menu, and it gives you a little menu to just clear cache. Deselect anything else and just clear the browser cache. Worst case scenario, start over. So these are typical checklists of things to do when you're first having problems, and otherwise let us know. And I hope this video series has helped. I'm sure we're going to try and get it better and better, but we look forward to working with you. Good luck this round, and I hope you have some fun working with our new environment.